Welcome to Fybercom. Today we'll walk you through our construction process for connecting your home to our fiber optic network. It all begins when you opt into our services on the Fybercom website. This step gives us the necessary permission to carry out the construction needed to connect you to our fiber network. First, our team will conduct a thorough survey of your property. We will identify the best location for the conduit box, ensuring a safe and efficient connection. Next, we carefully plan the route for the fiber optic wiring, selecting a safe path into your home. This is crucial for protecting the wire from potential damage. Once the route is planned, we bring in the appropriate equipment to dig the line underground. This ensures the fiber optic line is safely buried and shielded from environmental hazards. After the fiber optic line is underground and routed to your house, we will run the line up to a designated box on the side of your home. Once the fiber is installed, our skilled splicer will connect the fiber to your home, setting the stage for a seamless internet experience. Following the connection, we install the necessary hardware to integrate your home with our fiber network. This process requires drilling a small, pea-sized hole to connect your router to the internet. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy the incredible benefits of fiber internet.
No, pretty painless. They, took a few hours today. They took care of everything. Everything looks like it was when I left it. So yeah, no, not a big deal.
Thank you for choosing Fybercom. We look forward to connecting you to our community of satisfied customers.